Let's find the perimeter and the area of the square with all four sides of length 4 7/8 inches. We'll begin by finding the perimeter, and we will start by writing the formula for the perimeter of a square, which is 4 times s, where s is the length of a side of the square. We substitute 4 7/8 for s, which gives us 4 times 4 7/8. When we multiply using mixed numerals, we want to write the mixed numeral using fraction notation. So we will write this as 4 times 8 is 32 plus 7 is 39. So I can write that as 39/8 inches. I should technically write my inches there too. Now when I multiply this, I have 4 times 39 over 8 inches, which is, if I factor the 8 and 2 times 4, I have 4 times 39 over 2 times 4 inches. The numerator and the denominator are factored. Each of them has a factor of 4. So I can cancel the 4's, and I'm left with 39 over 2 inches. And since my sides were given as mixed numerals, I will write this as a mixed numeral, 19 1/2 inches. That's the perimeter of the square. For the area of the square, again, I'm going to begin by writing the formula. Area equals the side times the side. Substituting again 4 7/8 inches for each time I see s, I have area equals 4 7/8 inches times 4 7/8 inches. Now, since I'm going to be multiplying these numbers eventually, I will write these the next time as fraction notation. I'm going to write 4 7/8 as 39/8. And I'm going to write this times this, 39/8 times 39/8 times inches times inches. So I have inches times inches. When I do the multiplication, I multiply 39 times 39, which is 1,521, and I multiply 8 times 8, which is 64. When I think of multiplying the inches times inches, I can just write square inches, because that would be the unit of area for the square. Again, I should write this as a mixed numeral because I began with mixed numerals, and converting the fraction to a mixed numeral, I have 23 and 49 over 64 square inches. I have found the perimeter and the area of the square.